Hey, this is Jason. Quick update. I've been real busy, so I haven't really been getting any videos out. I was wanting a generator to kind of have a built-in redundancy for my solar system in case it's cloudy and just not enough sun. But so we went shopping, and I really wanted a Honda, but for the price, I got almost twice the capacity. And you know, I've had decent luck at Harbor Freight. They do have pretty good warranties if you buy them. I didn't actually buy it for this one, but I went there for like a little 2,500, maybe 3,000. But this one happened to be, well, they're all on sale right now. Today's the 19th. They're on sale until tomorrow. 15% off on all generators. 20% off if you're part of their club. But this one happened to be a out of the box model, and I actually got the 20% off. So yeah, I just put the oil in it, hooked up the battery, just following the directions in the owner's manual, which is pretty good owner's manual. But here's kind of the face of it. So it is the Predator 5000, but that's 5,000 starting watts. So on gas, as you can see there, it runs up to 3,900, propane 3,600. That's plenty for an off-grid cabin. A couple things might spike it, but we can also just use it directly into our travel trailer. Of course, it's got the two 20 amp outlets. The dust covers are fine. One thing I will say is how you hook up the LP is they got a proprietary connector, which, I mean, as long as you can get them, I guess that's fine, but would have been nice to have a universal. And then this handy thing down here is just the handle, so you can pick it up and pull it around. Feels pretty sturdy. This guy here locks the wheels and unlocks them, and these are rubber wheels, so they take up some of the vibration and they're easy to roll. They do have plastic centers, but that's par for the course anymore. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of share in case you're in the market. To me, this is a pretty good deal. Gets great reviews. I mean, there are a handful of bad reviews, but you imagine how many they're making in the Chinese warehouses. There's bound to be some lemons here and there, people not paying attention and whatnot. So hopefully I don't have one of them. The odds are definitely in my favor. So yeah, just a quick video, kind of show you addition to the Homestead. Guess I'll take these panels off too. One is where you put in the oil, and the other is where you check the air filter and whatnot, carburetor. Okay, so these panels are essential for quietness, and this is called the Predator Super Quiet Inverter 5000. So it's got this insulation on the back, and it is whisper quiet. I'll play it here, or I'll start it here in a minute. But yeah, here's how you access the air filter and the carburetor. Pretty easy access. Oh, and the spark plug. So when you buy it brand new, it will come with a spark plug tool. Brand new in the box. This is definitely brand new. It's got 0 hours on it, but somebody must have returned it. Nothing's wrong with it so far. Like I said, I fired it up. Everything sounds good. Everything worked. I put a load on it. I put that big fan on it and tried low and high speed. It worked great. And then over here is where you change your oil. And I did start this up and take these panels off, and yeah, these panels help a lot, so I'm not just joshing you here. And they're all rubber mounted. So there's the oil drain thing. It's kind of nice. They got this little pop out, so the oil, you know, comes out into your tray. This is where you fill. It's a little loose. Starter, battery, all that jazz. All right, so I've got a little bit of gas in it. You just have to trust me, the propane works. I already took off the propane tank, but it works great. I'll at least show you the connector. Of course, when in doubt, it's got the pull start. All right, so here's where you connect the propane. It's a quick connect. You just pop it on there. Pretty nice. And if that's connected, you got gas in there. At any time, you can just switch back and forth. It's got, I don't know if you can see that. This little display here shows hours and watts and volts and so amps. So let's go ahead and fire it up. Okay, so I'm not raising my voice at all. That's as loud as it gets. And it does have eco mode. Very little vibration. Now I'll turn on eco mode. Now I don't know if that picked up on camera, but that is a couple decibels quieter. I think it said it's rated at like 52 decibels, which is just whisper quiet. And then to shut it off, you just hit stop. I'm going to turn that off, and just got this. I mean, I'll bring you all back when I've actually got some hours on it. There is a break-in period, so got to get through that. Of course, I'll bring you back if anything crazy happens. But yeah, Harbor Freight is having a 15% off for everyone. If you have the coupon, you can get that online. Or 20% off if you're a member of their club. I think it's through July 20th. So that's pretty good. These are already good prices. And I wanted the dual fuel. Propane is real cheap in my area. So that's always nice to have. So yeah, if you have any questions, just throw them in the comments. Otherwise, I'll catch you all in the next one.